What the hell, Jerry? Wow! Man! Oh, dude, when you sleeping though? Oh, I got one on you. What the hell?
Wait a second. Look what you did.
No!
You just fucked up.
You sabotaged me, man! You gonna let me clean this up? You stay stuck.
Oh, you gonna do that shit, huh? You gonna do that, huh?
Alright, man, damn. I'm so done with it. Alright, you're gonna be turning to a lady. I'm gonna cut his fucking nuts off.
Oh, wait a second. Oh, I got some for your ass. Oh, it's been that cool up in there. Let's move this shit. Alright, tie that.
Oh, hell no! I'm not getting my ass beat today! Hi! Alright, I'm just sitting there watching TV.
Alright. Now drop that fucking phone. Bam.
What the hell is that? Oh no! Hey, Mammy Choo Shoes. My name is Butch. I'm sorry for getting on your property. You know what I'm saying? I thought this was my house, but it's the wrong house. By the way, give Tom a million motherfucking ass whoopings. I'm serious. I hate that cat. No! I didn't mean, that was Jerry. You ain't gonna believe me though. No! No! Oh, you missed me. Missed me. Missed me. Oh, shit. Oh,